Hello, everyone. My name is Harold Campos, Principal Product Manager at Microsoft Corporation. I'm really excited to talk to you today about the state of integration and our Azure Integration Services. 750 million, that is the projected number of applications expected to be developed by 2025, surpassing the combined total of all apps ever created in the last 4 decades. These apps span the spectrum from packaged software to software as a service solutions and even custom built applications tailored to unique customer requirements. Together, they serve as a reflection of technology's rapid evolution and how technology is an inherent part of our lives. And with the opportunities that generative AI brings, applications will continue to be the primary touch point through which we experience the productivity and the light that technology brings to our lives. We are in an era of unparalleled growth and innovation in the world of applications. Beyond the sheer numbers, it's about how technology is reshaping our world. It's a testament to the rapid evolution of technology and its profound integration into our daily lives, presenting endless possibilities for the future. The proliferation of apps is impressive, but it brings forth a unique set of challenges. First and foremost, as we witness an explosion in the sheer quantity of applications, we must acknowledge that quantity does not automatically translate into quality. In fact, it often leads to the creation of silos and challenges with consistent aggregated experience. More apps bring more complexity, both in the end user experience and in the development and delivery of those apps. With so many applications in play, it's easy to overlook potential solutions or innovations that could benefit our organizations and users. Just bringing these apps together will help us drive immediate user value. Without integration, the complexity of an organization's app landscape leads to inefficient workflows and redundant development work and operational inefficiencies. And last but not least, we can ignore the looming security risks. The more applications we incorporate, the larger our attack surface becomes. And when these applications are siloed, it becomes exponentially more difficult to secure apps and manage those risks. So, what can integration do for you? The first thing is to bust silos. Seamless integration across the proliferation of app state is required. To confront silos, we must break them down. Seamless integration is key to unlocking the full potential of your digital ecosystem. Go beyond connectivity. While connecting applications is essential, the real power lies in leveraging integrated data intelligence. In this complex landscape, remember that it's not just about linking apps, it's about maximizing your data's potential. Integrated data intelligence is your strategic advantage, driving innovation, growth, and success. This brings us to integration platform, the foundation for connecting applications and data, driving the acceleration of connected intelligence and application innovation. This platform is not just about making connections, it's about automating business processes and workflows, deriving real time actionable insights from your data, and ultimately delivering differentiated experiences to your customers and partners. Beyond that, an integration platform provides the foundation you need to realize the full potential of generative AI. Integration empowers you to deliver intelligent applications that can leverage your data systems and processes that you already have and provide new value to your users, giving your business a unique and competitive edge. In our extensive interactions with customers, we've uncovered five pivotal themes that underscore the essential requirements of a modern integration platform. These insights have been distilled from continuous feedback gathered during our deep engagements with customers and partners. Customers emphasize the importance of a composable enterprise, which allows them to seamlessly assemble and integrate components for creating modern applications. Responding to rapid evolving tech trends require them to expand the developer bench across the entire organization to innovate and drive digital initiatives effectively. Striking the delicate balance between security and scalability is paramount. Organizations clearly want solutions that provide robust security measures while maintaining scalability and cost efficiency. Our customers also highlight the significance of achieving global reach with a local presence, enabling them to expand internationally or worldwide. And in today's competitive landscape, providing end to end modern experiences to customers and partners is essential for staying ahead in the market. Microsoft Enterprise Integration offering, Azure Integration Services, is the answer to the challenges of modern integration. These five themes not only align with our customers' priorities, but also guide our approach in delivering Azure Integration Services. These insights have been instrumental in shaping our integration platform offering, and we are excited about what the platform can do for you. Today's event will lay the foundation of building an integration strategy for your organization and will drive critical business processes and application innovation. Our goal today is to give you a clear path forward to deliver business value fast. Set you up for success with first, you'll hear about Forrester's total economic impact assessment of Microsoft integration solution, Azure Integration Services. Then you'll hear directly about how some of our customers they are solving their business challenges just like yours. And lastly, we have some new product innovations that we are excited to share with you, and that my team will continue sharing tomorrow. Let's start with the first essential requirement: building blocks for composable architecture and modern apps. Azure Integration Services provides a comprehensive set of capabilities that enable modern enterprises to build new digital components using their existing assets, legacy applications, and data. At Azure Integration Services, we take pride in being a customer first service. One of the standout features that sets us apart is the ability to meet the unique requirements of each of our customers. We understand that in today's diverse business landscape, no two enterprises are alike. That's why Azure Integration Services provides you with the freedom to craft integration solutions that are perfectly tailored to your needs. We empower you to select and adopt only the services that align precisely with your objectives. Whether your goal is to connect on premises systems, mainframes, leverage cloud based applications, or bridge the gap with a hybrid approach, Azure Integration Services provides you with the essential building blocks needed for your integration success. With us, you are not constrained by one size fits all approach. Instead, you have the flexibility to design your integration strategy in a way that best suits your organization's unique demands. Let's move on to the next key requirement: expanding the developer range across the entire organization. Azure Integration Services brings low code capabilities to the forefront. It offers an impressive array of over 900 out of the box connectors to both Microsoft and third party services in the cloud or on premises. With our user friendly visual workflow designers, we eliminated traditional barriers of coding intensive integration projects. Not only does this approach accelerate the integration development process, but it also brings integration capabilities within reach of a broader range of individuals and teams within your organization. We understand that budget constraints and scalability challenges often loom large in integration projects. That's why Azure Integration Services is designed to tackle these issues head on, offering a solution that's both cost efficient and scalable. Our platform offers a monthly pay as you go pricing model, which means that you pay only for the resources that you actually use. There are no hefty upfront fees to deal with. This approach empowers organizations of all sizes to start their integration journey without the burden of large initial investments. As your integration needs grow, as your integration services seamlessly scales alongside you. This ensures that your integration solution remains not only efficient but also highly cost effective. Azure Integration Services battle hardened platform is backed by impressive numbers. If you can see these numbers here, these figures underscore our commitment to provide an industry leading integration solution that can scale and adapt to your organization's evolving needs. Whether you are dealing with a high volume of data, complex workflows, or an extensive array of APIs, Azure Integration Services is ready to power your business transformation and help you achieve new heights of efficiency and innovation. We understand that in today's digital landscape, security and compliance are non negotiable. That's why Azure Integration Services places these aspects at the forefront of its design. With a multi-layered security measures, we provide a fortified shield around your integration solutions. As an example, Azure API Management provides a comprehensive defense in depth security strategy compliant with industry standards, FedRAMP, GDPR, HIPAA, and more. Azure Integration Services not only streamlines your integration needs, but does it with the highest standards of security and compliance in mind. In today's dynamic digital landscape, businesses require seamless and integrated experiences that cover the entire spectrum of their operations. This is where Azure Integration Services shines. And it's not just a standalone integration solution, it's an integral part of the broader Azure ecosystem. What does this mean for you? It means that by choosing Azure Integration Services, you are not only gaining access to a powerful integration platform, but you are also tapping into the full potential of Azure itself. Our platform seamlessly integrates with other Azure services, offerings spanning AI, analytics, data, and much more. This interconnected ecosystem empowers you to rapidly create comprehensive solutions that drive innovation and efficiency across your organization. In a world where businesses extend their operations across the globe, having an integration platform that can seamlessly span regions and environments is crucial. Azure Integration Services steps up to this challenge as a hybrid multi cloud, globally managed offering spanning an impressive network of over 50 Azure regions. Our commitment to innovation and excellence has resulted in transformational changes for over 65,000 customers worldwide who trust in Azure Integration Services to meet their integration needs. Now, let's talk a little bit about Forrester. Forrester conducted a total economic impact that assesses both hard and soft benefits and cost of a technology investments. We also consider the flexibility aspect in this work that we requested Forrester to do, which involves identifying capabilities that may emerge in the future and have been realized by organizations that have already adopted Azure Integration Services. Finally, to account for the risk, it was adjusted the benefits to reflect the likelihood of the realization for a broad range of readers. Based on the feedback from customers and a thorough analysis of costs, benefits, risks, and flexibility, the 3 year impact of Azure Integration Services showcases a 295% return of investment and a payback of less than 6 months. Forrester calculated a total investment of $3.5 million over 3 years and a total 3 year net present value of $8.57 million. The seven quantified benefits Forrester calculated range from added efficiencies and cost savings in the IT department all the way to improve agility in various areas of the business, like the above. Customer code highlights where we could tie the benefits of using Azure Integration Services to improve time to market and an impact of revenue generation and net operating profits. Forrester interviewers articulated their investment objectives very clearly. They sought a solution to modernize integration processes for their cloud transition efforts. They wanted to enable real time integration, offer cloud based API management with self service capabilities, ensure compliance, securely manage data with a hybrid cloud, reduce data duplication, and distribute workload among development terms. Our customers are telling us that by focusing on modernizing integration processes, managing data sources securely, ensuring data and application security, reducing data duplication, enabling real time integration, creating a centralized infrastructure while decentralizing development, and enforcing API management policies, they can ultimately set themselves up for success in their cloud transition journey. Forced to boil down all of the stories that they've heard and put them into seven distinct benefit buckets. The 3 year total amounts of these benefits ran from $352,000 for the TCO consolidation benefit to $3.5 million for the benefit that calculated the impact of reduced data entry requirements for businesses and end users. Forrester knows that not all benefits can be quantified, yet that doesn't mean that they are less important. And this brings to the additional benefits these customers realize when they did not quantify because it was not feasible to measure or they could not get the data. We heard, for example, that seamless integration of multiple systems using Azure Integration Services enable knowledge sharing and set a foundation for advanced analytics. Organizations also mentioned implementing robust security measures, including RBAC and permissions, resulting in resilience against hacking incidents, strict access controls, compliance, and protection of environments, while Azure's secure infrastructure mitigates risks. In addition, Azure Integration Services integration eliminated data silos and improved data accessibility, ensuring improved data quality, consistency, and a unique view across systems for global teams. Finally, Forrester heard that scaling up the number of instances and service tiers in Azure Integration Services was straightforward, and upgrading to a production grade environment can be done with a click of a button. Additionally, Azure API management and Azure Logic Apps streamline new hire onboarding by facilitating discovery access setup, security, and integration, resulting in faster integration and reduced onboarding time compared to previous on premises systems. Now, switching gears a bit, let's talk a little bit about Azure Integration Services and what it enables you to accelerate how the innovation by enabling all parts of your organization across application developers, integration specialists, and other functions such as business analysts to seamlessly create new business value. The glue, bringing the enterprise to a single integration platform. Application development first, rapid API development and management. Unlock developer productivity with a fully managed Azure API management platform. API lifecycle management included unified API management across hybrid and multi-cloud, developer portal customizations, integration with VS Code, Postman, Azure Load, testing, and centralized discovery and consumption with Azure API Center. Leading APIs to be the most customer-centric healthcare company was the goal for Bupa. A leading health insurance company needed to build a modern digital channels and partner systems. They needed a solution that would bridge the gap between their legacy systems and future cloud migration plans. Azure API management has become an essential component of Bupa's integration fabric, enabling them to deliver next generation customer and partner experiences. With seamless integration of legacy systems, scalability, and enhanced observability, we have achieved operational efficiency, improved developer productivity, and enhanced the experience of our customers and partners. Integration development, pre-built connectors, business process, and workflow automation. Automate workflows and orchestrate business processes easily with Azure Logic Apps. We provide a visual workflow designer, workflows with or without writing code. More than 800 out of the box connectors, industry protocols and connectors, X12, Edifact, HL7, Swift, MX, MQTT, CICS, IMS, DB2, MQ, and many others. Custom connector capabilities and data mapper drag and drop pre-built functions. EMBW automates virtual power plant with Azure to drive the energy transition forward. EMBW, one of Germany's leading energy companies, faces a significant challenge with their legacy systems. These outdated systems hinder the ability to effectively integrate and manage a diverse range of applications and data sources within their organization. As a result, EMBW experiences inefficiencies, manual processes with limited visibility into their operations. For their solution, they leverage Azure Integration Services, successfully modernize their legacy systems, EMBW. They leverage the platform's comprehensive capabilities, including connectors, workflows, and data transformation tools to seamlessly connect and integrate their diverse systems and data sources. If we hadn't automated our operations and customer processes with the help of Microsoft Azure, we probably wouldn't be in the market today. Implementing all that manually would require about 3 times as many employees. Mark Schutt, head of Virtual Power Plant, EMBW. Fusion development, low code, no code integration that empowers everyone to create business solutions with AI ready Microsoft platform. Visual development platform, more than 1,000 out of the box connectors, tenant wide catalog to publish, govern, discover, and consume reusable Power Platform assets, develop, test, and deliver applications with GitHub Actions for Power Platform, AI assisted app building with natural language description as well. Tokyo Metro pioneers track abnormality detection with apps developed by citizen developers. Business challenge. Tokyo Metro Co. Limited faced the challenge of maintaining its extensive 200-kilometer subway network in Tokyo. The company relied on labor-intensive and time-consuming manual visual inspections and sought a more efficient solution. The solution was to overcome the challenge of manual visual inspections. Tokyo Metro implemented a solution that utilizes Microsoft Azure AI Services, Microsoft Power Platform, and Azure API Management, part of Azure Integration Services. The solution involves capturing images of railroad tracks and using Azure AI Services to detect equipment deterioration and other abnormalities. By utilizing APIs, Tokyo Metro enables the processing of analysis and analysis of the images using Azure AI Services. Bringing the enterprise to a single integration platform. So that is the goal of Azure Integration Services. We are the glue in transforming an app ecosystem. We offer integration with third-party client software as a service applications to lock in potential data, cloud and on-premises apps, hungry to enrich their data with missing context, integrating with Microsoft Power Platform to enable the enabler of citizen developers with client apps, the biggest beneficiaries of data connectivity with minimal effort. Now, let's continue learning more about what are the benefits of using Azure Integration Services. Maximize the power of the cloud with event-driven integration. We've talked a lot about how Azure Integration Services can streamline and simplify the integration of your data streams, but I'm going to take it a step further and highlight how we can help maximize the power of cloud with event-driven integration. Here we have the concept of message brokers, which serve multiple async streams. Event enables many types of workloads, automate processes, architect highly available microservices, architecting cloud applications, and extending AIS with Event Hub for streaming services. Messaging enables application integration. Indeed, Azure Messaging provides powerful brokers to interconnect your business applications, enabling fast, real time communications, helping you build event driven architectures powering highly available microservices to the cloud. Our messaging suite includes message queuing for transactional queue based asynchronous communications, discrete event routing for ingestion, and push style distribution of events that microservices can subscribe to and react to without hammer polling those applications, wasting resources on both ends. Event streaming provides partition a high volume, sequential recording, and unlimited pool style reads of streams of events, including click streams, telemetry, device info, automotive insights, geolocation changes, and much more. Message queuing, reliable cloud messaging, and hybrid integration. We support the following models: pop sub, send once and have many subscribers, choose the messages they are interested in with rich filters; sequential convoy, get order delivery of correlated messages, for instance, patient ID number one; claim check, referencing larger payloads in alternate stores; competing consumers, allowing you to maximize throughput based on the scalability of your consumers. Let's talk a little bit about Bush's customer centric vision that's accelerating innovation via Azure Integration Services. The business challenge was a specialist in quality laboratory technology solution, Buki, is modernizing its business systems. As it as it upgrades and replaces dozens of legacy business systems, the Swiss company has had to reevaluate hundreds of integration points across its global IT platforms. Wookie worked with CloudFronts to build a new integration platform based on Azure Integration Services. The solution facilitates the exchange of roughly 1 million requests per day, involving approximately 20 different business applications. Service Bus provided them with a reliable, scalable messaging infrastructure, helping them to integrate disparate line of business systems with modern software as a service application, unleashing new business opportunities. Discrete event routing, reliable event handling, and delivery at cloud scale. Event Grid allows you to take advantage of the scalability of the cloud by being the backbone of our event driven architectures, providing real time event routing from various event sources. Event Grid supports a diverse set of sources, including Azure System Events. For instance, new file was created in your storage account, partner events, where third party software as a service providers can publish their events related to your sources, and custom events that your applications can generate. Being a pub sub service, Event Grid can send events to multiple consumers at once. Consumers can then decide to only subscribe to the subset of events they are interested in with rich event filtering. In EDA, publishers are decoupled from event subscribers, removing the complexities of point to point configurations and allow for higher efficiencies by only publishing once. So let's briefly talk about SPAR. With a sprawling network of nearly 450 convenience stores, SPAR NL operated a legacy of omni-channel retail systems and custom point of sale add-ons that made it challenging to monitor operations and stay on top of industry trends. Solution: to future-proof operations, SPAR NL wanted a cloud-first approach to enterprise resource planning (ERP). By adopting Azure Integration Services and Dynamics 365, Spar streamlined the operations and now has the agility it needs to respond much faster to market challenges. Spar used Event Grid to create a loosely coupled vector workflow, validated, enrich, transform, and route (VETR) architecture, leveraging functions to react to changes across distinct storage blobs representing each of the processing steps. Event streaming: receive events from millions of devices and applications. Ingest gigabytes per second at consistent low latencies. Our performance tests have shown that event hubs can have below 10 milliseconds end-to-end latency that is triple replicated across availability zones. Support the most popular protocols, including AMQP as well as fully compatible Kafka API that allows you to just point your Kafka client to Event Hub without changing any code, simplifying on-prem to cloud migration. Being a PaaS service, we remove the operational complexities and you can just create topics without worrying about the underlying infrastructure, as well as automatically have the time, the data capture to a data lake or have it consumed by a real-time stream processor. Event Hub provides the leading security, reliability, and high availability supported with availability zones and cross-regional configurations. Let's talk about Telefonica. Telco giant Telefonica serves 12 countries across two continents. It needed a better future-proof way of managing customers in home routers to to meet the demands of an increasing home ecosystem complexity. Solution with Home Advanced Connectivity HAC built on Azure Event Hubs and the IoT platform, Telefonica can achieve cloud scale and efficiencies while transacting data rapidly in a single flow using digital twin capabilities to ensure highly secure remote router configuration. What was the impact? Telefonica now processes 6.5 billion messages per day across 4.5 million routers, with plans to easily scale to 20 million devices in the next few years. Telefonica uses event hubs to ingest huge volumes of events tracked on the new platform. Now, let's briefly talk about BizTalk Server. So, BizTalk Server 2020 follows the fixed lifecycle policy, and it will be in mainstream support until April 2028, and the extended support for BizTalk Server is 2030. So the reason why we're bringing here BizTalk is because we are encouraging customers to migrate from BizTalk Server to Azure Integration Services. BizTalk and AIS have different architectures. Our goal is to provide capabilities to address customer integration needs via core product features. We are working on providing migration patterns for BizTalk. Some of them are already available, but there will be more coming soon. While limited re-architecting is required, it allows to take advantage of the core AIS platform capabilities that we just spoke about. PubSub messaging using Azure Service Bus, event management with Event Grid, workflow capabilities with Logic Apps workflows, direct mainframe and mid-ranges integration with Logic Apps connectors. Um, and what we are doing is bringing forward customization such as maps, schemas, custom assemblies, and core features such as the rules engine for Logic Apps to minimize re-architecture effort. Now, what are the principles for our investment for to enable BizTalk migrations? Preserve customer investments. BizTalk is a mature integration platform that has been around for more than 20 years, and then is being used by our largest customers. Make Azure Integration Services the quickest and most cost-effective option. Reduce maintenance costs and also leverage new capabilities. In the short term, we have added support for content, patterns, and practices that are available in our public documentation, XSLT plus .NET Framework support, BizTalk Map support, Swift MT support, and the Resume from Action that was just recently added. Medium term, we're working on improvements for EDI integration account enhancements, native XML support, WCF SOAP support, BizTalk Rules Engine in Logic Apps, more patterns and practices. And in a longer term, we're looking to improve our business process tracking capabilities to resemble some of what we had available in BizTalk Server. That is what we are doing to enable our customers today, our BizTalk customers today. Now, in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, seamless integration has become the backbone of successful businesses. With the growing need of connecting application systems data across various platforms and environments, having a robust and flexible integration solution has never been more crucial. Microsoft Enterprise Integration offering, Azure Integration Services, is the answer to the challenges of modern integration. Azure Integration Services is enabling enterprise-wide customers in every industry vertical with ironclad security and low-friction developer tools. Our battle-hardened solution, coupled with our enterprise-wide expertise, makes us a unique partner on your digital transformation journey. Thank you for joining us today.